So now you take a line command, after which you get the length of the external square thread, which is 120, 120, enter. Then the diameter is 80, 80, enter. And then back to 120, enter, and then back to 80. And zoom it up, and then escape. So you can now offset O, enter, enter, offset by 10. Since the pitch is 20, so 20 divided by 2 is 10. So you now offset by 10, and now you offset by 10 through the distance of 120. So now you can go to escape. You can now go to your draw toolbar. Okay, since your trace is not here, you can come here, show menu bar. Then you come to your draw toolbar, and then come to text, multi-line text. And then now let's choose number 1, Control A. So now let's change the height to around 8, enter, 8, enter, and close the editor box. So now you can copy this, CO, enter, and copy from there. Okay, you can off this object snap toolbar. No, not this one, you off. Okay, that's it. This is your object snap. Okay, so now you can place this one here, 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 and then here, 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 here. So now let's escape, and then this one, you can remember this to 0, It's better we change it. It's looking too big, so let's change it back to 6, and then okay. Still looking too big. Control A. So let's change it back to 6, enter. Okay, so now close it back. Okay, so now let me delete all these ones. They're looking too big. So now copy 6, go enter to this point, to this point, to this point. So this can be changed to 1. This can be changed to 1. This can be changed to 2. And then this can be changed to 3. This can be changed to 3. And then let's delete all these ones. And then copy, CO, enter. And then we can change this one to, and copy this one here, this one here, this one here, then this one here. Okay, let me off the polar tracking, then this one back there. So now this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can close editor. So now this is also 4, and then this is 3, or this is 2, and then this is 1, while we have 0 here. This is 1, and then we have 0, 0, and then okay. So now you can take your line command, L, enter, from point 0 on your object snap back. So from point 0 and then you take it to point 1, escape, you can copy CO, enter, and then you can place this 0 on 1, on 2, on 3, and then on 4. You can take your trim command, TR, enter, and then you can trim up this, okay. Before your trim command, you can take your properties, come to your properties, come to your thick lines. So let's take a distance of 0.5, and then we want it here, line. So let's come back here, a distance of, yes, 0.5 is there now. Then line width, so highlight this. And then come to 0.5. So now this is 0.5. So now once you are done with that, you can come to your match properties from here to here to here to here to here. So escape. So now you can take your center line from this point and then take it up. So come back, take your match properties from here and then back to this point. So now you have you can take your ray from the bottom of this, that's from point 1 to the bottom of 2 here, okay, and then escape. So let's take a trim command, TR, enter, and then trim this one out. So but meanwhile you can still trim this, and then you can take your line command, enter, from 0 to 1, and then you can copy this line here, you can copy from here to here, and then to here, and then so we have rectangles 0 1 0 1 2 1, and then we also have rectangle 2 3 4 3. So this one is not properly placed, so you can take a line command and then join it 3 2 4. So now you can also take your trim command, TR, enter, then you trim up this, trim up the inside of this rectangle here, and then the inside of this rectangle here. So now you also take the offset distance of 10, O, enter, that's 10 from the pitch. The pitch is 20, so O 20 divided by 2 is 10, so we also have 10 at this point here, okay. So now you can take your trim command, TR, enter, and then you have that. So SK, enter, so you can delete this, and then now you can still take your line command, L, enter. So your line command starting from the top here, which is 3, to the top here, which is 2, okay, and then escape. So now you can trim, TR, enter. So you can trim up this, you can also trim up this. So now from this point here, you pick up your line command from this point upward. So the same thing, line command from this point downward. Now a line command again from this point to this point, escape, and line command from this point here to this point and then escape. You can pick up your line command again from here to here and then back to this point. So you can trim up this, you trim up this, you trim up this, you trim up this, you trim up this. Okay, so now after trimming up, it's hanging again. Okay, you can trim up. Okay, this, you can trim up this as well. So now this is your external left hand square thread. So obviously something is missing here, so you can pick up your line and then from here you pick up your line command L, enter. So somewhere from here from this point to this point and then escape. So the same thing, L, enter from this point to this point and then escape. So you also have L and then you have L, 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 enter, L, enter. So now from this point again, from this point to this point, escape, L, enter, from this point to this point, and then you can copy the CO, enter, from this point to this point L, and then to this point here. No, it shouldn't be there. Ctrl Z. Okay, all these other points are filled up. Okay. So now you can, okay, once you are done with copying, you can escape. So what other thing left? You can then trim up. You can trim up this. You can trim up this ones. Trim up this. Trim up this. Trim up this. And then you have this way. Like this. And then like this. Okay, you can also trim up this one. So now this is your external left hand screw thread. Okay, so now you can also dimension this to indicate the distance, half of your pitch. So now come to your mesh properties and then this is 10. So once you are done, you print, Control P. So now display window. And then from here you come to DWF. Here you come to monochrome. Yes. And then center, portrait or landscape. Either of the two. And then let's preview it. Okay, so that is it. So then escape, cancel. Okay, this distance is also 10 to indicate half of the pitch.